Hey there, I know it's normal to run out of content, so before that, please subscribe and I give you the 80 content ideas for small YouTubers. How to start a YouTube channel. How to grow your YouTube channel. How to edit my videos. How to put outro or end screen. How to put tags on YouTube. How to create playlists on YouTube. How to upload video on YouTube. How I edit my thumbnail. How I edit my photos for Instagram. How I edit my video banner. How I edit my YouTube intro. How to get music without copyright. 10 common mistakes that new YouTubers make. How to see your YouTube subscribers. How to hide your channel subscribers count. How to vlog using your phone. Filming vlogging or vlogging setup. DIY vlogging setup. What's on my phone. Morning routine. Nighttime routine. Skincare routine. Hair care routine. Hair transformation. Hairstyle tips. Study with me. What's in my bag? Pores or makeup kit. Makeup tutorial. Makeup review. Makeup collection. My boyfriend does my makeup challenge. Whisper challenge. Prank videos. Never have I ever. Mukbang. Q&A. Unboxing. Reaction video. Dance cover. Song covers. Dance tutorials. Song recommendations. Current favorite. Life hacks. Mobile games. Product review. 10 facts about me. How to be productive. Things to do at home. How to stay motivated. How to stay confident in front of the camera. A day with me. Cook with me. Trip with me. Outfit ideas. Try on haul. DIY clothes or thrift lift. 100 layers of blank. Get ready with me. Who knows me better? Workout routine. How to stay fit. Back to school shopping. School supplies haul. Study tips. A house tour. Room tour. College tips. Travel essentials. What I eat in a day. What I got for my birthday. Reacting to my old photos or videos. Things to do when you're bored. Expectations versus reality. TikTok compilation videos. Collab videos. Jojowain o totropahin. Try not to love challenge. Eat it or wear it. How to earn and save money. I hope this video helps a lot. Thank you guys for watching.